Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name's Thomas. This is Zarbo Audio Projects. And yeah, instead of talking about speakers or amps, we're going to talk about, I guess, miniature toolboxes. I was at Harbor Freight Tools a couple of weeks ago and I saw this black one sitting on the shelf and I was wondering what it was. I'll come to find out after looking online and picking it up and taking it home. Yeah, it is a little toolbox. It's got roller bearings with magnetic latches. The top goes up and down. It opens a little past 90 so it stays put. Even included the rubber drawer liners. But my first thought was, well, that's cool. I could see myself putting pencils in there, scissors, I don't know, a whiteout, a couple of things for work, you know, up on the desk. But then I thought, oh no, it's an actual toolbox. It's actually pretty heavy. How many tools can you actually fit in this thing? So that's what I set out to do. I actually picked a few of these up, a red one and a blue one for my nephew and for a coworker's son. And then I said, I'm not going to just give him this thing empty. I'm going to put some tools in it. I'm going to treat it like a real toolbox. So what I did was I tried my best to assemble a minimal but yet practical full tool set. But take a peek at just how many tools I was able to get into this. It all fit. And there's room for a little bit more too. This is pretty tight. This is fairly tight, but yeah, I wouldn't put too much more in there. You don't want things to be hard to open and close. But this has a fair bit amount of room in there. I mean, consider everything that I put in there. That's quite a few tools. That's actually sort of a miniature full-service toolbox. I'm impressed and a little surprised. Leave a note in the comments about what you think. Is this thing a real toolbox or just a toy? All right, let's see how much this thing weighs. With the tools, it looks like about 12.5 pounds, roughly. Yeah, she's packed full of tools.